Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in an Essex Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to log in an Essex Mortgage, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.essexmortgage.com. Once you do this, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on Loan Servicing Center. There you can find the customer portal, so simply tap on it and you will be redirected to this page where you need to tap on customer portal once again, and this will allow you to have the login interface where you need to type in your username and the password of your account and hit the login button to get the login access to your Essex Mortgage account. So this is how you can simply surf through your Essex Mortgage. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.